Welcome to my channel. So I came across this beautiful coconut tree in my neighborhood. It's a hybrid type, and then the tree was very short, not tall at all, and produces so many fruits. You see so many coconut fruits on top, and the beautiful thing is the color. The color is what actually attracted me. The fruits are light yellow in color, and so many of them, as you can see. And I was wondering, what type of coconut is this? Right here, you see that the tree is not tall at all. Most of them, you can touch them with your hand. You raise up hand, touch most of them. Then, apart from that, the fruits are so numerous. You count them very well, you might be able to count them up to 50, 60 or 70 from this particular tree. Not tall at all, and a lot of flowers still on top, and a lot of fruits. Now, I was told that this yellow, golden yellow color will turn a little bit into brown as the fruits are getting matured. And the fruit inside, after it has matured, if you crack it and then taste the coconut, see that it's very, very sweet. This is the reason why I was interested, I was excited about it, and I said, let me share these with my community. So you can see it, see the base of the tree, and see the height, not quite tall, and so many fruits on top. You can see it, very interesting. Now, if you harvest these coconut trees and then you take it to market, it will be surprising, because what we have here is going to almost 100 on this small coconut tree. That is very, very surprising. Very surprising. And I was told the fruits is very sweet. That the type of coconut is quite sweet. By the way, if you harvest coconuts or you bought coconuts and then you crack it open, what do you do to the water inside? Throw it away? No. Are you aware that the water inside the coconuts is quite rich in nutrients and very good for the body, good for human health? So next time you crack a coconut open, don't throw the water away. Just use it, drink it, share it, enjoy the tasty water inside the coconuts. It's good for your health. You can share it with family, friends, and children also. So, as we have it, these coconuts, the golden yellow fruits, will later turn to brown when it is fully matured. So, we are waiting for that time. If I get to this neighborhood once again and the fruits are there, I will bring it.